Hello everyone, in this video, we will discuss how to win the principal's heart. If you are looking for a new teaching job, you may have already heard that your interview with the principal is the most important part of the hiring process. After all, they are the leader of the school and they want to make sure that they hire someone who will be a good fit for their school community. So it is very important that you make a good impression on them. So here are some tips to help you do just that. Number 1, first impressions matter. When you arrive at the school, you want to make sure that you are on time and that you are dressed professionally. Bring along your resume, a copy of your certifications, and any other relevant documents. When you meet the principal, you want to greet them warmly and confidently. Make eye contact and offer a firm handshake. You want to make sure that you are smiling and that your body language is positive. The principal is looking for someone who is confident and capable, so you need to show them that you are. Number 2, do your homework. Before you meet with the principal, you want to do your homework and learn everything you can about the school. What is their mission and vision? What are their core values? Are there any recent achievements or programs that the school is proud of? By knowing this information, you will be able to reference it in your conversation with the principal and show them that you are interested in the school and its success. Number 3, showcase your passion for teaching. When talking to the principal, you want to showcase your passion for teaching. Share real-life examples of how you inspire and engage your students. Let them know that you are dedicated to their growth and well-being. If you are passionate about teaching, it will be clear to the principal and they will be more likely to hire you. Number 4, highlight your relevant skills. When you're a teacher, there are certain skills that are more important than others. Classroom management, for example, is a skill that all teachers need to master. Being able to effectively manage a classroom of students can be challenging, but it is essential for creating a positive learning environment. Another important skill is the ability to use technology effectively in the classroom. By highlighting these skills during your interview, you will show the principal that you are capable of handling the day-to-day demands of teaching. In addition, you should also highlight your ability to collaborate with colleagues and parents. This is important because teachers rarely work in isolation. They often need to work closely with other teachers, administrators, and parents to support their students. Number 5, connect with the principal. As much as the interview is about you, it is also about the principal. They want to know that you will be a good fit for their school and that you share their passion for education. So don't forget to ask about their leadership vision for the school and compliment them on their work. This will show them that you are genuinely interested in their school and that you would be honored to be a part of their team. Number 6, be a problem solver. The principal is looking for someone who can help solve problems, not add to them. So when you meet with the principal, be prepared to discuss some of the challenges in education today and what you would do to address them. This could include things like how you would manage a classroom of students with diverse learning needs or how you would effectively use technology in the classroom. By showing the principal that you are a problem solver, they will be more likely to hire you. Number 7, follow up professionally. After your interview, send a thank you email to the principal within 24 hours. This is a chance to reiterate your interest in the position and to remind the principal of why you are the best candidate for the job. In the email, you can also mention something specific that you discussed in the interview to personalize the note, so there you have it. By following these tips, you will be sure to win the principal's heart and land your dream teaching job. Good luck!